To celebrate hitting 2 million followers, I brought the two people that got me here. My mom and Lindsay. What are we making today?
Swedish meatballs over egg noodles. We're chopping an onion and then throwing them in a pan to soften. That's what Rachel does.
What you got?
Now we're going to add a little bacon fat to the pan.
What are you doing?
I'm softening the bacon.
Bacon or the onions?
The next thing I have to do is take our quick oats, breadcrumbs, some milk,
3/4 of a cup.
probably, yes, and an egg.
Oh.
Now it gets mixed up. 1 pound of ground beef is what we add. We add a 1/2 pound of ground pork. Now I'll add my seasonings, which is a little allspice, the salt, and pepper. I think we ought to add our onions down to the meat mixture.
All right.
Okay, Lindsay, now's the time that we have to make our meatballs. Add the meatballs to the pan and give it a couple minutes till brown. Meatballs are done. We're going to take care of making our gravy. Using Campbell's cream and mushroom soup.
You're using canned soup again.
Yes, of course. For adding the soup, I will thin it out with a little cream out. We do want a lot of gravy because this will be delicious. Now's the time to put the meatballs in. Simmer it now for about 30 minutes.
Got some work to do.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How's this look?
Yummy. Darryl, are you kidding me?
From my family to yours.
Happy holidays!